stop scrolling. This video right here is getting millions of views, and it's literally just talking fruit characters.
You're behind again. I need this finished today.
I understand. Did you do anything today?
What do you mean?
I'm tired, not just from work.
I didn't realize it was that much.
I just need you to try, that's all.
Okay, I will.
Now, here's the crazy part. Most of these videos are made with AI. No animation skills, no expensive tools. And right now, channels are blowing up, posting videos like this every single day, pulling in thousands, even millions of views. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create these exact types of videos using completely free AI tools. From the characters to the animation, all the way to building a full story that people actually want to watch. So inside ChatGPT, you're going to use this prompt I've already created. I will leave the link to the prompt in the comment section. This is just a guide to help you create your own. All you have to do is come in here, change the type of fruit, adjust how it looks, and set the outfit the way you want. Once ChatGPT finishes generating, everything will be arranged for you step by step. It breaks it down into different scenes, starting from scene 1. Each scene comes with its own image prompt, video animation prompt, and even the dialogue where needed. So you don't have to think about what comes next. Everything is already structured for you. Now the next step is to create the images. To do that, head over to your browser and search for Google Flow. Sign in and create a new project. Once you're inside, go back to ChatGPT and copy the first image prompt from scene 1. Then come back here and paste it into the prompt box. For the aspect ratio, set it to 9:16 since we're creating short-form content. Leave the number of images at 1. Then for the image model, select Nano Banana 2. Once everything is set, click Generate. Give it a few seconds or up to a minute, depending on your internet. And just like that, your image will be ready. Now you can see the result here. The character looks clean, the details are sharp, and it matches exactly what we described in the prompt. So once you're satisfied with it, go ahead and download the image. You can download the upscaled version for better quality, or just download it as it is. Now that we have our first scene, the next step is to create the second one. Head back to ChatGPT and copy the image prompt for scene 2. Then come back here. This time, we're going to do something important for consistency. Upload the first image you generated as a reference. This helps the AI keep the same character design across all scenes. Once that's uploaded, paste the second image prompt just the way it is. Then click Generate. And once it's done generating, here we have our second image. You can see how consistent it looks from the outfit down to the overall appearance. Everything matches the first scene, and this is very important because for a good story, your character has to look the same across every scene. You don't want your character changing randomly, it breaks the flow of the video. Go ahead and download it just like before. Now we're going to repeat the same process for the remaining scenes. Head back to ChatGPT, copy the image prompt for the next scene, then come back here. Before generating, upload the last image you created as a reference so everything stays consistent. Then paste the new prompt and click Generate. You're going to keep repeating the same step for all your scenes. So from the first scene in the office to when she gets home, everything flows naturally and your character stays the same throughout. And as you can see from the images we've generated so far, the consistency is very clear. The outfit, the appearance, everything matches across each scene. And that's exactly what you want for a clean, professional story. Once you're done generating all your scenes, go ahead and download all the images. Now the next step is to bring everything to life. We're going to turn these images into videos. So open a new tab, head back to Google Flow, and create a new project. But this time, select the video option. Next, select the frame to video option. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16. For the number of videos, leave it at 1. Then for the video model, select VEO 3.1 Lite. Now go ahead and upload your first image as the start frame. After that, paste in your first video prompt, including the dialogue. Make sure in the dialogue you clearly specify which character speaks first and who responds next, so the AI understands the flow of conversation. Once everything is set, click Generate. And here we have our video.
Behind again. I need this finished today.
I understand.
This is the final result with motion and audio. And you can see how well it came out. The movement, the expressions, the sound, and the lip sync all look clean and natural. Everything flows perfectly, just like we planned it. At this point, you can go ahead and download the video in the best quality available. Now repeat the same process for the remaining scenes until your full story is complete. Once all your videos are ready, the next step is to put everything together. For that, we are going to use CapCut. Open CapCut and click on New Project. Import all the video clips you just created and drag them into the timeline. Set your project to 9:16. Now go through your clips and trim out any unwanted parts using split and delete. After that, you can add transitions between clips if you want. I usually select a simple fade or classic transition and apply it between scenes, but you can also leave it clean if you prefer a more natural look. You can also add auto captions if you want better engagement and viewer understanding. Once everything is arranged properly, preview your video from start to finish to make sure everything flows smoothly. And finally, export your video in high quality. Now your full AI-generated cinematic fruit movie series is ready. With this method, you can create unlimited videos like this and start building your own content channel. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.